Welcome to this video. Today I'll discuss about how to export different types of products from Shillong, Meghalaya to global market to different countries of the world. Today I will give the step-by-step guidance. Khasi Hills are known for several high-value items. Number one, agricultural products, Lakadang turmeric, black pepper, ginger, honey. These products are available in Shillong, so it's a great opportunity to export these products. Then organic certificates for each and every products, agricultural items, and then logistic and supply chain, storage and transportations, and then invest in proper infrastructure for perishable products. And nearest port, Guwahati, dry port, ICD, which is in Amingaon, Guwahati, and then Haldia port in Calcutta. And then branding and marketing, it's most important for any kind of product to export in different countries of the world. And then use digital platform like Alibaba, and this is a B2B sites. And then always active in social media, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And LinkedIn, before export you should learn export and import business course. Our institute provide 1 month's course for export and import. Online and offline classes are going on. Admission is going on. Contact number is given. You can contact us for learning export and import. Thank you for watching this video. Government scheme.